Hello again. Hi everyone. I'm audible?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah. So so this is the slide of demands of this TOSCA automation testing. So it is in demand. See, if you want a high growth, high paying career, quality assurance is the way to go. As a software tester, you will always be needed and will find no lack if loading companies trying their hardest to recruit you, and there are constantly opportunities to grow in your career to reach managerial level. So there are many paths. Actually, every company that user software needs software tester, right? Which is to say pretty much everyone needs software testers. So testers are valuable in basically an industry. So from healthcare to retail to video games. Additionally, you can choose whether you want to go into manual testing, automated testing, performance testing. So there are a number of testings are there and so on. So see, um, see, I believe in making class iterative. So I encourage questions and discussions. So please don't hesitate to speak up if something is unclear. So I expect everyone to actively participate, complete assignments on time, and contribute to a respectful learning environment. So I'm really looking forward to getting to know all of you guys. And I hope we can create a great learning experience together. So feel free to ask questions if you have any concerns or ideas. Okay. So see, um, everyone know I know. See, we have doubts on salary packages. So of this course, so see, salary packages, as of my knowledge, the average salary package for an automation engineer in India with 3 to 5 years of experience, okay, typically range from around 7 lakhs to 10 or 11 lakhs, okay, per annum. However, please note that these figures can vary based on factors such as the company size, location, industry, specific skills of the individual, and economic conditions. Salaries may have changed since then due to various factors like inflation, economic conditions, demand for automation engineers, and other market forces. Like I recommend checking the latest data from reputable sources like job portals, industry reports, or reaching out to recruitment agencies for the most up to date information and salaries in this field. So in companies, if you ask me how much salary can I expect after 2 years or 3 years of experience as a software tester with the CTC, okay, of like a 5.6 per annum in India. So in companies like Infosys, TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, Cognizant, you can expect 8 to 9 LPA. With the counter offers, it can go up to 10 to 11 LPA. So in companies like Deloitte, EY, KPMG, PwC, you can expect 10 to 12 LPA. With the counter offers, it can go up to 15 LPA. So in companies like Mm, did you heard Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs? You can expect 20 plus LPA. With the counter offers, it can go with 40 LPA. And Microsoft, Google, Amazon, you can expect 30 plus LPA. So important thing that you should remember and make right. Okay. See, if you go through the consultants will charge in lakhs, like 2 or 3 for job placements. And most of them we can't trust. So instead of trusting consultants blindly, it's good to learn a skill. Try for an interview. So believe me, without knowledge, without skill, if you go through consultancy, then you will be thrown out of the company. So later, whatever money you pay will be wasted. So trust me, we will give proper training. With this training, if required, they can go as experienced as well. So we will help them in interview preparation, resume building, and guidance and tips. If any referrals, we will suggest. Okay, so without the help of consultancies and without any large investment, they can earn a very good job if they learn the skill, practice, and try hard. Okay, thank you, everyone. So, do you have any queries?
What are the class details like? It's going to start or when?
Sorry.
Like
And
you
one
said
more
that.
thing is, yeah, one more thing is, so if
When
you know what is automation testing, and if so, you can ask past students who have successfully transitioned into the IT industry after completing our course, their achievements, highlights, and effectiveness of our training. Okay,
yeah, I have one
duration,
question.
timing, and what is the
Hello,
yeah? See,
are you able to hear?
one question. Let me finish first. So, Murli, what is the learning course for what is the learning curve for TOSCA? Learning what is that question? I don't understand. Please explore that. What is the learn?
Just seeing how much time does it take? Seeing
Okay,
how much time does
duration.
it take till?
Yeah,
Yes.
duration 40 to 45 days, and it depends on you guys. Please see if you have any doubts, or if you want to go with slow teaching, okay? And if you have any practical session doubts, so it will delay. So it's completely depends on you. From my end, I will say it's 40 to 45 days. Timing ETech will update you about timings, because there are two timings are there, morning batch and evening batch. So I just know about the morning and evening, but time um, they will update you, Prabhu. Fees, yeah, fees. I'll let me tell you. Just 1 second. So, Prabhu, we have three options. See, three options means one single payment and one indirect installments and early registration. So, a single payment is 12K. Okay. So, see, single payment, if you pay at one time at single, then it will, I mean, they'll charge 12K, I think. So installments means 15K. Okay, it will, you can pay in two installments like 7.5K plus 7.5K. So if you pay in single payment, then it will only 12K. But if you get delay, 20 plus, I mean 20K, about 20K. So early registration has more benefits for students actually. Tell them I joined a little late. I can join in your next session. Okay, Shekhar.
This is Prabhu here, ma'am, and thanks for the detail.
Sorry, who's this? Who's that?
Sorry, this is Prabhu
Parshuram?
here.
Prabhu.
Thanks for the detailed info. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Prabhu. So, anyone? Do you have any queries? How about the current market opening for TOSCA compared to other automation tools like that? So, first of all, I want to know who is this iPhone and what is your name? May I know?
Hey, this is Divakar. So
Divakar.
I
Yeah.
already working in one of the MNC in automation part. Currently
Di-
using Catalan Studio, but I would like to learn TOSCA for our
Mm.
one of the client requirement. But also, I would like to know how about the current market trend if I want to move for other company. So
Yeah.
that is the reason why I asked you.
See, if you ask me what is the current market for Tosca, I will say it's very in boom. So why I'm saying, see, I'm came from non-IT background, right? And after that, I got an opportunity in Tosca automation testing. Then in first company, I they offered like 7 to 8 LPA, and after that, the second company is offered me like single shot. In single shot, they offered me like 15 LPA. Did you believe that? So it's I'm working in product-based company right now. So Tosca salary packages was very, very, very good actually. Because see, this Tosca, one of the drawback is it's very expensive, but it's not our part of job because Tricentis provides Tosca license in it is a paid tool actually, but not for us. So Tricentis provide us a trial version tool to practice, and it's same. It's very similar in real time environment. Okay, you can just do that. You can do anything. I'll show you one thing. Okay, uh, how it- how it is. So did you see that? This is Tosca Commander tool. So this is the place. This is a workspace that we are going to do a practice. So when you open in Tosca application tool, then it looks like that. So this is a workspace you want to create that. If you want to create new workspace, they it will show like single user workspace and multiple user workspace. You can connect to with any database like SQLite, Oracle, MS SQL Server, DB2. So I'll show you. I mean, in further sessions so how to create that with a single user and with multiple users, and you can create a workspace here. Okay, and after that you can enter here. After you are creating a project, will go in that workspace what you have created. So this is the module sections, test case design, executions, value. So these five sections are there that you have worked actually. So there are number of sections are there like requirement section, CI section. So that's not required actually in our in our practice section. So I'll explain you that also. So this is modules. So this is the previous class, I mean previous sessions that we have completed actually. So these are the modules. I'll explain you later. I mean, it will take 5 to 6 classes, and this is the test case that we are created with the help of modules. And this is the design and test case design. This also we learned in further session and execution also. Scratch book, what is that? I will explain everything, guys. And this is also what is that this home view tools, API testing, everything I'll explain. Okay. But before that, you need to enroll this testing course. So about fees, about anything, timings, anything, it take update you. Okay. And Tosca is, see, when you compare Selenium with Tosca, see, if you want to learn Selenium, so they will ask you about coding language. Like it is the combination of Python or it is the combination of Java. So you need to learn programming language. So Java plus Selenium or Python plus Selenium. But here in Tosca, we don't need any programming knowledge. Not required here. Because see, if we not required any programming skills, then what we are doing here? So here, with the help of these modules, we create test cases. So this is the main thing that we are going to create. That we are going to. This is the scenario actually that we are use our brain and we create that. So first of all, we take a live, like a live web application, and we scan that application, just drag and drop the functionalities, whatever you have a requirement, and after that you create this module, and after that you create a test cases with the help of this module, and after that you create a test case design. Okay, how you will design and based on your visualization. So everything, everyone, every scenario, I'll explain you very detailed and very slowly. Okay. If you have any doubts, okay, then I'll take a separate practical session. So if you have any doubts, then you can ask me. Anyone? Clear?
Yeah, for experienced
I
guy,
forgot your name again.
Shaker.
Yeah. Shaker? Yeah.
Yeah, for experienced
Tell me.
guy who is having more than 10 plus years of experience into manual testing. So which module is best for him to, if he's a lead position, or which one is the best one to take up from the TOSCA module?
So as experienced guy, your question is as experienced guy, which module?
No, as an experienced guy, suppose see, if a fresher, he can learn and he can work on this TOSCA. But if a guy is
Yeah.
having already experience into testing more than 10 years,
Yeah.
more than 10 years of experience, and he's leading the team. So for
Yeah.
him, which module is the best to learn and to handle a team
So
in
see,
TOSCA side?
it's not related to any experience. Because if one guy is experienced above 10 years or 12 years or 15 years, it's not matter for this TOSCA application, because even after 15 years, after, I mean, 15 plus years, one person is 15 plus years, so there is no point to learn. Okay, see, this TOSCA tool everyone after 15 plus years also, because one of my colleague actually
Actually, yeah,
uh,
the thing is like, see, as you said, like, a guy who can learn this TOSCA and he can able to implement. But, the guy who is having more than like 10 plus of years experience, he cannot keep as a fresher, and the industry is not ready to take him, because he has to keep 3 to 4 years of experience in TOSCA, and he has to showcase. And once they will take into the project, and they will expect in such a way that I am already familiar with TOSCA and I can able to handle like a SME. So in that case, just
mm,
I'm asking which is the best to take.
yeah, I got your point actually. See, if 10 plus years of experience, I'm not telling you this TOSCA testing only for freshers. This TOSCA testing, it's applicable for experienced candidates also. If one guy is a 10 plus years experience, then so previously, so if that guy worked on any other tools, right, like um, developer or something else, so who have worked in some other domain, okay, they can add that domain, and they can add that experience, and plus this TOSCA experience. Okay, so see, for example, I am the 10 plus years experience, so I have worked on uh, something like a developer. Okay, I am the developer. Previously I was a developer, and I can add developer experience plus this TOSCA. So I can tell, like, see, previously I have worked on 7 years on this experience, and later I have worked on 3 4 years on testing, because I am interested in that. So that's why I moved in this testing. So based on that experience, the interviewers will ask your questions, right? So, okay, this guy, 7 years developer, and the rest of the experience on testing. So they can ask, right? If they ask any deep questions on testing, so you can tell, right? You can tell, right? To see, I just have 4 years or 5 years experience on that, and you ask me like very deep questions. They also think about your experience. Based on that experience, based on your skills, only the interviewers ask that questions are okay. So no one see that only okay, this guy 10 plus years experience. Okay, I can ask very deep questions. So this is not the way actually. The interviewers
No,
will
here
not
the
think like
question is,
first I
I'm not talking about the interview in case of like,
yeah
I'm
yeah
not talking about the interview matter. So once I'll get into the project, that's when the challenges will come. So in that case, just
mm-hmm.
I'm asking you, see, 4 5 years of experience, and even most of the projects we have to handle in a individual contributor, not as a group or any team we have to maintain.
Mm-hmm.
So in that case, as an individual contributor or anything else, so they will expect everything. By that time, like we only learned and just we swim in Tosca, like we are not an expert in Tosca. So how we have to handle such situations? Because as and when if we have extraordinary experience, then only we can able to handle. And at the end of the day, we need to give all the updates to the onshore and offshore. So there, the time will lack a lot. Like it will lag, so on time we
Mm-hmm.
cannot give everything. That is a pain point. So just I want
Yeah,
to
okay.
know on that, because which model is the best for the experienced guy, and how we have to handle that critical situation. And even client will
Okay.
take the interviews, right? Earlier,
Yeah,
only the
yeah,
company
yeah.
will take the interview, but that specific project client will also take the interview.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I got it, Shekhar. So because see, my experience is 6 plus years experience. So I have my concept is on about 6 or 7 years experience. After 10 years, I don't know. I want to reach that point. What you have said, I don't. I see. Literally, I'm handling the project right now, but not single. With the team. Okay, with the team, and we have a big team, and we have worked on that project. And if we go through with individual worker, I mean, I'm, right, I'm handling that project individual, but I don't know that experience how it will be like that. Okay, so I hope you understand what I'm saying.
Yeah, yeah. In TOSCA also I completed 3 certifications, but uh,
Yeah.
even I want to go for this SAP site testing and all. So which suits to
Mm.
my profile, so that my next designation is manager on it. So I should be able
So
to handle
which
everything.
certificates you have already you have completed, right?
Yeah, AU1,
Sorry, your voice is breaking now.
other 2 certificates are there, right? Those I have
So
completed.
I mean asking you
Well,
related TOSCA certificates.
TOSCA. Yes, yes.
So which one?
AE1 or something will be there, right? So 3 certificates I completed, and 2 more. It's only like online, right? So I have completed those.
Mm.
And just only basic knowledge I have. I don't have
Okay.
in-depth knowledge. That's when I joined
So do you
this call,
have
but I have.
yeah, do did you complete the certificates right? How you will get that? I mean, you have worked on any TOSCA automation domain on that? I mean, because
No, no.
see,
Generally,
if you get a certificates, then you should have a business mail ID. So that's what I'm asking you.
yeah, I used my company's mail ID because it's a mandatory to go through the trainings. So that's when I
Okay.
did even.
Okay, okay. Just to know about certificates, so how you will get that? Because I'm also worked on that. Like that's why I got
Yeah, yeah. They
certificates
have to
of
use company's mail ID. Yeah,
AS1,
yeah.
AS2, TDS1, TDS2. So
Yes,
this
one
also I
question.
have completed the
Last
certificates.
2 I failed, but the first 3 I completed. I have to reattempt those again.
Yeah.
But I needed
Okay.
someone who is working on this live, so that I can gain some live experience, and which I can showcase in my projects within the
Yeah.
concern.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Thank you, Shekhar. Thank you for the info. Anyone else? So, see, if you are excited about the opportunities ahead, don't miss this chance to enroll in our course. So, take the first step towards a fulfilling career by joining eTech programming today. So, for additional information or to join, contact us this number. I'll mention in chat box 970307. So, this is the contact number. So please feel free to connect. And if you have any queries, please ask them. So we are here to support your path to success. And thank you so much for participating in today's masterclass. We hope you gain useful insights and felt inspired. So at eTech, we are here to help you start a successful career in data management. So enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much. So if you have any queries, please ask me. Thanks. Yeah, thank you so much. And anybody? No doubts, right? No queries? No, ma'am. Thank you, Meghraj. Anyone? Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Please make right decisions and um see if you have any doubts already. We are connected in WhatsApp, right? Please ping me here and you can contact me. Thank you, everyone.